Elon actually is talking about surgeries. He is talking about the Optimus robot doing much better surgeries than most of the surgeons out there, or all of the surgeons out there. If you speak the language of super intelligence and all of that, it'll get to that point. Question is, how is he able to say that? Assuming that timelines are off and considering all of that, but what's going on, what must be going on in his head, or where's he getting that confidence from?
I'm probably one of the biggest fans of Elon Musk in the amount that the guy has created multiple billion-dollar companies. I can. It's building a company. I think Matt, you can agree as well how difficult it is, and so first of all, huge fan of Elon Musk. The other thing is, I think he is saying that from a high vision perspective. That someday surgeries will be performed. Not every surgery are the same,
No,
right?
so no, he didn't say someday, he said 3 years.
When do you think Optimus will be a better surgeon than the best surgeons? How long for that?
3 years.
3 years. Okay.
Yeah, well, 3 years when he's saying, but you have to see where he has a neurosurgery company, right? He's a neural company, and the anatomy of neurosurgery, if you see it, is very, very. There's a lot of data that is available before that, right? So, for example, if you do a simple CT scan of a head, which is pretty much going to be done in everyone before they go through that procedure for Neuralink, right? You will have the anatomical landmarks, which are very easy to train on. The amount of space that you have in skulls are limited as compared to a colon. Other thing is, the colon moves. Imagine driving and setting a GPS, but your road changes as you are traveling, right? So there are complexities. Again, I don't think you can do a Whipples in 3 years. Can you do a neurosurgery? I mean, Elon Musk, if he puts, yes, you can do it in 3 years in a neurosurgery. But, it's not just being able to do that in a lab, it's being able to do that in a patients in a reliable basis without complications, right? So even if it can be done in 3 years, it will still take 10 years for him to bring it to market for a fully automated thing.